Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two easy ways on how to delete a user account here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before we proceed on deleting a particular or specific account here in our Windows, we need to back up first all the necessary data, the files that we have with that account. So all you need to do is you need to bring up your file explorer, go to your C drive, okay, and here you need to proceed with users. So double tap to it, and once you have double tapped it, you'd be able to see the user accounts that you have here in your Windows. So I would suggest that you will block up all the necessary files that you have with this account. Once you have backed it up into another hard disk or any location that you want to back it, then that's good to go, okay? The next thing that you need to do in order to delete that here, the very first step is you need to type for settings. So under the bus match, please click on open to continue. And here you need to proceed at the left side of the screen and look for an option called accounts. And under the accounts tab, you need to wait until it will be ready. And once it is being ready, you need to scroll down and look for other users. So here at the other users, you would be able to see another user that you have logged in or that you have used here in your Windows. All you need to do is you need to select on the account that you want to delete, click this down arrow and go with the account data, where aligning to it, you can see there an option called removed. So tap on it, and the moment you have click on it, this window would ask you to confirm your action. So before deleting the account data, deleting this person's account will remove all their data from this PC, including in items under desktop, downloads, documents, photos, music, and other files. If this data hasn't been backed up or saved to another location, such as another PC, it will be lost. That's why what am I dictating or what am I teaching you earlier is that you need to back up all the important datas that you have saved, the downloads, the documents, etc., in order to avoid any regrets. Okay, so click on delete account data since we have backed up it earlier. And once you have deleted, it will be removed here in our Windows. So this is the very first easy step on how to delete cell. So the second step that you can do is at the bottom search bar, you need to type for computer management or comp, and a best match which is computer management system would appear. Click on open to continue. And the moment you have click on it, wait until a new window would appear, which is the computer management. Where here, you need to look for users. Okay, so let's expand it. Okay, so in case you see your users here, okay, in my case, I don't have seen it in my menu, but in your case, if you have seen it, you can proceed with the account and there would be an option here where you can do a right click and where you can go with delete. Okay, so you can see there users and accounts aligning to the system tools. Select on it, and here at the center, you would be able to see your username. Okay, just do a right click there and go with delete. And in this way, you would be able to delete or remove the user account in your Windows. Once you're done, you're good to go. So those are the two steps in how to delete or remove a user account in your Windows or computer. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.